guys, welcome back to the channel and thanks for joining me for another unboxing. How's your week going up to now? Okay? Good, we're halfway through the week. The only downside is we've got another half to go. Right, just the two. But I just want to answer a quick question. One of you guys, I forget your handle name on the comment. You made a comment on the last unboxing. And I'll answer it. He asked, why do you need to have your face in the unboxing? Why don't I just do like the hands talking with the camera down on the hands and showing the product? Simple. I much prefer to look and talk into the camera like I'm talking to you face to face, eye to eye. That's the way I like to do it. That's the interaction for me. But yeah, I have got some ideas of doing something like that, like the hands talking on demonstrations and that. So that's the answer to that. Quick one as well before we get on with it. If any of you guys over the weekend received a heart on a comment to say that I've seen it, I've read it and I like it, from way back, I'd only just got them. I think it was Friday night I got those messages, and some of the Stuart George, yours was one of them from months ago. I think it was about 6 months, and there was about 3 there from a year ago. So please, if you don't get a heart or a comment back, I haven't had it. I think Keith as well, Rick Van Winkle, I think you sent one as well. I don't think it was the unboxing, I think it was the one before. I went to reply and it disappeared like that. So it's nothing to do with me. I don't know why it happens, but I just wish YouTube could get it sorted out. So please don't think I'm ignoring you. I've said all this before, but it's still happening. I don't know why. Anyway, whoops, that was the plug. 2 parcels. No shaverage today. I've drank enough over the weekend, but my granddaughter Kiara, she's 3 today. Happy birthday, Kiara. I hope you have a fantastic day and have lots and lots of presents. She recently went on a mini holiday, a first mini holiday. And she wanted to bring her granddad back a stick of rock. This one's for you, Mark. Scrumpy cider rock, or candy over there across the pond. Scrumpy rock. Can't wait to try that. What volume is it? Doesn't say what percentage it is. I don't think there's any alcohol in it. Anyway, let's get on with it. Let's do this one first. Where's my knife? Got Draper as always to help me. I think that's it. Oh. This is from Shaving Time. Oh, nuggets all over the place. Synthetic Pro handle. Once won these for a while, and Dave McMillan over at Shaving Time had a one-off sale. I think it's 20% off. I went for this straight away because I wanted the Pro handle, because I know it's a nice chunky handle. And there it is, 26mm synthetic, Sterling Shave Co. Nice chunky handle, very comfortable in the hand, quite weighty for a resin. Just the right amount of backbone that I like, nice and soft. So yeah, that's the first brush. Next one is from Apocalypse Grooming, my friend Andy Bulmer, aka the Opinionated Brit. Check his channel out. He doesn't have a lot of time to do many videos, but he has some good content, some good shaves. How you doing, Andy? I hope you're alright, mate. Another bucket list brush. Nice packaging. Oh, got some pretty cool stickers. I know exactly where that one's going. And there we are, Apocalypse Grooming. We'll take a look at that. Fallout Fresh, like that. Nice business card. I'll show you this next sticker in a minute. Right, lots of nuggets again. Nice colour. Yellow ones this time. Right, where's the brush? Very well packaged. Oh, there it is. And there it is. And its own little sleeping bag. Do that. Unveil it and get a grip. And there she is. Absolutely stunning. 24mm synthetic. And it's a, get it the right way round. I think that's it. There's the coin. It's a Smiles for Miles. Custom brush, one-off, handmade. And this is the saw guard with, you know, like a sword. You have a guard protecting your hand, and that's what the handle is. It's a saw guard. Lovely colours in that. Like I say, it's got the coin in the bottom. Not seems to be sitting a bit deeper than what I used to, so yeah, there's plenty of backbone there. Nice and soft, so I look forward to using that as well. So that's it, guys, 2 new brushes in the den. These are a bit pricey. I'll put a link to Andy's site shop, Apocalypse Grooming, and I'll put a link of account to Smiles for Miles as well, and obviously Sterling Soap Company. If you fancy getting a new brush, use my code CB4089 and you'll get 5% off at the checkout. Although I think Dave is changing it up to 10% again. I'm not 100% sure on that, so double check. There you go. 2 brushes in the den. Well, that's it. Thanks for joining me, guys, on this short, quick unboxing. Have a great rest of the week. I'll see you on Friday for the Friday shave. Got a nice sterling shave lined up with another new razor. Thanks, Dave. And that's it. Enjoy the rest of the week, guys. Don't work too hard if you're working, and if you're not working, have fun and have some great shaves. Right, that's it from me. I'll see you Friday. Stay safe and stay smooth, guys. Bye.